What's up, back with another one, and this clip is about Hot Boy Turk reacting to BG getting arrested in Louisiana over alleged snow charges. So let's check this clip out.
Shalom, man. Shalom, man. What shalom, bud? Just had to go eat my food, man. Real eat good. You heard me? Bam, bam, bam. Battery running low. Find shout out my mom, young baller, man. You heard me? Young baller sent me another mother pack. Man, go jump off a mother bridge, man. Do yourself a favor. You heard me? Yeah, I figured that was a lie. Well, yeah, I can't believe everything on the internet, man. You gotta check that shit out. Unlike some motherfuckers be spreading rumors. Motherfuckers see something and then be like, and then repeat it like they know. You heard me? And then don't even be a real come and try to say, man, you know, my bad, man. I thought this, I thought that. That's what a lot of these fake did to me. They read headlines from who was hating on it. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of these, you know, they be wanting to believe fake shit about real. So, you know, when they do shit like that, man, they already be hating on you. When they don't do no research, and it's just, hey, man, you know, yeah, man, that happened, man, that happened, bro. So you ain't gonna do no research? You ain't gonna ask no question? Get the fuck out of here, man. I give a nigga the benefit of the doubt. But everything ain't like me. They believe everything they hear about Turk, boy. Cause they be wanting shit to be true, bro. And then when they find out it ain't, they be having that look. Yeah. How you feel when you find out it ain't real? When you find out it ain't real.
When I look at this whole situation, I see layers that go way beyond one arrest headline. BG has history, legacy, and a story that a lot of people have followed for years. When someone with that kind of background faces alleged snow charges in Louisiana, the reaction is always going to be intense. Fans remember the movement, the music, and what that era represented for the South. They also remember the time he already served and the conversations about redemption and second chances. That is why Hot Boy Turk reacting to this matters. It is not random commentary. It is coming from someone who understands the environment, the pressure, and the expectations that come with carrying that name. At the same time, supporters are split. Some people believe once you get another opportunity at freedom, every move has to be calculated and disciplined. Others feel that certain artists remain under a microscope no matter what they do, and that pressure alone can create obstacles. Make sure to drop a comment and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.